So for part B, you want Trenton to be less than Johnson's supply. And so we'll use that same cost equation. It's been set up for you. The one on the left is Trenton, and the one on the right is Johnson's supply. So now as we look at the numbers, we've got 500 plus, so we've got 500 plus 80x on the left is less than 450 plus 100x on the right. I always try to keep my x's positive, so I'm going to subtract 80x from both sides. So after I subtract 80x from both sides, I have 500 is less than 450 plus 20x, and now I will subtract 450 from both sides. After subtracting 450 from both sides, we have 50 is less than 20x. Now we will divide by 20. Divide by 20, and then you can divide by 10, and so 5 over 2, which is really 2.5, is less than x. So the way to interpret this is when x is greater than 2.5 days, Trenton is less expensive than Johnson. Otherwise, if it's a short trip of less than 2.5 days, then we should go with Johnson.